About to swap the brake pads on the rear on a 2001 KLR 650. Just got to remove these two Allen head bolts to get the caliper off. Alright, got the two bolts out. The caliper should just slide off now. Yep. Yeah, I'd say that pad's worn out. Okay, got the pads out. Basically, you just have to separate. Make this go out enough and the piston go in enough where you can get the top pad off these two big pins. The bottom one will pop right out. I got it hanging from a bungee cord because you don't want to do like I just did and get the caliper off there and let it dangle on the line, which I did by mistake, but anyhow I got it hanging from a bungee now. As you can see, I was way past due for back brake pads. Yep, they're way past due. I went to the local cycle shop, Pensacola Motorsports, and got EBC pads. I'm using a C-clamp to compress the piston enough where I can get both pads in there. Okay, I got the new pads on. About to slide it back on the rotor and bolt it up. Make sure you got enough gap there for it to slide over the rotor.
About that, Chris, in your defense, but also in the defense of homeowners, if you were to hire somebody who doesn't have insurance, who doesn't have workman's comp, and who isn't insured, you know, one of the interesting problems is if they are injured, if a member of their
get the hose lined back up.
It's not been quite settled in court.
Now just tighten the bolts up. These two here. I'm just going to snug them up now since I'm recording this myself. Kind of hard to do both. Okay, got it bolted back on. It's good to go. I probably could have put some anti-seize on these pins just to help it slide back and forth. Brake pad slide back and forth on that pin. I did it on the front. I didn't think about it on the back. Works fine. You might want to go ahead and bleed your brakes and get some fresh fluid in it. All I had to use was a Allen wrench. I did use that big screwdriver with the old pads just to open up the spread the pads apart to get them off, and a C-clamp, and that was it. So no special tools. I'm not even close to a mechanic. Obviously I don't even have a shop to work in, and limited tools. So, easy job.